Native plants are plants indigenous to a given area in geologic time. This includes plants that have developed, occur naturally, or existed for many years in an area. Some native plants have adapted to very limited, unusual environments or very harsh climates or exceptional soil conditions. Although some types of plants for these reasons exist only within a very limited area, others can live in diverse areas or by adaptation to different surroundings. Research has found that native fauna depend on native plants. Butterflies, birds, bees, and squirrels are examples of local biodiversity that depend on native plants for food and shelter. An introduced alien, exotic, non-indigenous or non-native species, or simply an introduction, is a species living outside its native distributional range which has arrived there by human activity, either deliberate or accidental. Non-native species can have various effects on the local ecosystem. Introduced species that become established and spread beyond the place of introduction are called invasive species. Some have a negative effect on a local ecosystem. Some introduced species may have no negative effect or only minor impact. Some species have been introduced intentionally to combat pests. They are called biocontrols and may be regarded as beneficial as an alternative to pesticides in agriculture, for example. In some instances, the potential for being beneficial or detrimental in the long run remains unknown. If it's possible, you should always look for an indigenous alternative to the plants that you are choosing for your garden. It may be a bit more research, but it will pay off in the long run, with birds and butterflies being frequent visitors to your garden. At the very least, if you do plant exotics, make sure that they are not likely to consume large amounts of precious resources. If you'd like to know more about the effects of non-native species, get in touch with us at urbanmali.com or write to us at vandana@artyplants.com or even call us at 95350 25938.